A very good morning to our respected manager, Father Anthony D'Souza, our headmistress, Sister Josephine Dias, and my dear teachers. Today, on the 15th of August, we have assembled here to celebrate the 73rd Independence Day. This was the day in 1947 when we got freedom from the British rule. Irrespective of our culture, civilization, caste, creed, and religion, the most important binding factor is our national flag. The tricolor symbolizes courage, truth, and prosperity. Let's raise our voices together and sing the national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Let us all pray to the Lord Almighty for all that we have accomplished to bring about peace and justice in our own country and around the world. Wonderful as India, because it practices what it preaches. Let us enjoy the song Sare Jahan Se Acha.
हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसिता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा हमसाय आसमां का, वो संतरी हमारा, वो पासबा हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। गोदी में खेलती है इसकी हजारों नदियाँ, गुलशन है जिनके दम से, गुलशन है जिनके दम से, रश के जिना हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना। हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, हिंदी है हम, वतन है हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा। हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
It was indeed a melodious singing, dear teachers. I now call upon Sujal Nadukar from Standard 10 to deliver a speech in English.
A very good morning to our honorable chief guest for the day, Father Tony, respected headmistress, Sister Josephine Dias, teachers, and my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy 74th Independence Day. This is a happy and emotional day for all the children of Mother India, whether living at home or abroad. We remember with gratitude the countless freedom fighters and revolutionaries who struggled, strived, and made heroic sacrifices to win us our freedom from the colonial rule. Today, the country is full of self-confidence, scaling new heights by working extremely hard with a resolve to scale new heights, creating a magnificent impression all over the world. Our soldiers, the paramilitary forces, and police are laying down their lives and are in service of their countrymen day in and day out, maintaining the splendor and dignity of the national flag, the tricolor in all circumstances. There have been instances in the long history of our country wherein our people encountered hardships and challenges and proved to be resilient. Common families showed uncommon courage, and so many determined individuals found strength to survive and thrive. Let us exhibit the same in today's situation. Friends, as our nation combats the pandemic coronavirus and its related repercussions, let us do our bit by voluntarily accepting a behavioral change to prevent COVID-19 and help the nation to get back on its feet. Friends, let me take your leave, saluting our soldiers at the frontiers, and yes, the COVID-19 warriors and all the generous hands. May God bless them all.
Sujal, for the informative speech. The struggle of India's freedom was a long one, which claimed thousands of lives and countless sacrifices. We now have the students of pre-primary and primary section presenting some of these great personalities. So, let's go back to the days of old and listen to what Suhani Khaire of Standard 4 has to say to us as Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu. I was born on 13 February 1879 in a Bengali family at Hyderabad and was educated in Chennai, London and Cambridge. I took part in the national movement, became the followers of Mahatma Gandhi and fought for the attainment of Swaraj. I became the president of Indian National Congress. I was known as the Nightingale of India. My poetry includes nature poems, patriotic poems and the poems of love and death. Jai
Coming
Hind,
up
Jai
next
Maharashtra.
is Palak Solanki, a student of Standard 3, portraying the views of Savitribai Phule.
Savitribai Phule, the wife of Mahatma Jyotirao Phule. I was the first woman to teach in a girls' school. People created many problems for me. They even threw dirt and stone at me. But I did not give up my noble cause. My nobility and courage will always guide man and woman in their life and
It's
career.
Tanmay Tamle of Standard 2 as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. I was born on 14 November 1889 at Allahabad. I was the first Prime Minister of India. I love children very much. Children lovingly call me Chacha Nehru. So my birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. I fought for the independence of India. Jai Hind, Jai
Let us see
Maharashtra.
Samayak More from Standard 1st as Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, in his simple attire.
Good morning to all. I am Mohandas Kalamchand Gandhi. You all may know me as Mahatma Gandhi. I was born in Porbandar. My father name is Kalamchand Gandhi and my mother name is Putli Bai. I fought for the freedom of our country.
Sakshi Khattak
Thank you.
from KG as Indira Gandhi, the woman of iron will who faced difficulties boldly.
I am the daughter of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Kamala Nehru. I was born on 19 November 1917 at Allahabad. My slogan is Garibi Hataao.
Do you know who is next? It is Anshuman Baswat from KG as Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the man behind our great constitution.
I born in 14 April 1891. I am Professor Economics and Barrister. I love books. Father of Indian education. Final words all of you. Educate, educate and
Characters
organize.
portrayed by our children were worth applauding. Miss Ashwini Shinde from Standard 8 will now share her thoughts with us in Hindi.
मैनेजर माननीय रेवरेंड फादर टोनी डिसूजा, मुख्य अध्यापिका सिस्टर जोसेफिन, शिक्षकगण और मेरे विद्यार्थी मित्रों, आज मैं अश्विनी शिंदे स्वतंत्रता दिवस के अवसर पर अपना मनोगत व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ। आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब शांति से सुने। मित्रों, आप सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। दोस्तों, यह बहुत ही गर्व की बात है कि हम आजाद भारत का एक हिस्सा है। मंगल पांडे, महात्मा गांधी, भगत सिंह जैसे महान स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने अपने प्राणों की आहुति देते हुए भारत को 200 साल पुरानी अंग्रेजी हुकूमत से आज़ादी दिलवाई। भारत का संविधान लागू होने के बाद भारत एक गणतंत्र देश बन गया। स्वतंत्रता दिवस का अर्थ है पूर्ण आज़ादी। यह भारतीय लोगों के लिए सबसे शुभ दिन है, क्योंकि बहादुर भारतीय स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों के बहुत कष्टों और बलिदानों के बाद भारत को ब्रिटिशों से स्वतंत्र करवाया। 15 अगस्त भारतीय इतिहास में और हर भारतीय के दिल में एक महत्वपूर्ण दिन बन जाता है। साथ ही पूरा भारत 15 अगस्त को पूरी देशभक्ति की भावना के साथ यह आज़ादी का जश्न मनाता है। स्वतंत्रता के बाद पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू को भारत के पहले प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में चुना गया था। इसके अलावा उन्होंने राष्ट्रीय राजधानी नई दिल्ली के लाल किले पर पहली बार भारतीय तिरंगा झंडे को फहराया। तब से हर साल भारत के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर तिरंगा फहराते हैं और स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर भाषण भी देते हैं, जिसमें वह कई बड़ी बड़ी घोषणाएं भी करते हैं। आज जब पूरा देश स्वतंत्रता दिवस मना रहा है, तब हर भारतीय नागरिक को यह निश्चय करना चाहिए कि वह आने वाले समय में ऐसे कार्य करे जिससे देश का मान और अधिक बढ़ सके। अंत में सभी को फिर से स्वतंत्रता दिवस की शुभकामनाएं। जाते जाते बस इतना ही कहना चाहती हूँ, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश का मान है, देशभक्तों से ही देश की शान है। हम तो उस देश के फूल है यारो, हम तो उस देश के फूल है यारो, जिस देश का नाम हिंदुस्तान है, जिस देश का नाम
Thank you very much, Ashwini, for the inspiring speech. Coming up next is a patriotic dance which presents a vision of every Indian celebrating our victory and bidding love and respect to our motherland and inclining a feeling of patriotism towards India.
मेरा जूता है जापानी जो तुम्हें दिखाए झांकी हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करो, ये धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Indeed a wonderful performance. We have indeed witnessed an inspiring event of such a great day. Thank you, dear students and teachers, for all the efforts you have put in to make this day a memorable one for us. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.